Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case review for your Google Pixel 6 Pro. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I have another case from Spigen for your Pixel 6 Pro. This time we're going to review the Pixel 6 Pro Ultra Hybrid case from Spigen. Like I normally do on my videos, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does everything fit? Does it fit nice and snug? Does it add bulk to your phone? And can you wireless charge while you have the case on it? Most cases these days, there's not a problem with doing that, but we will test it out anyway. Nice packaging from them. You know, look, it tells you to remove the film. 6 Pro. Same thing in the back. The little pull tabs here work wonders. I wish more manufacturers did it that way. Now this one is like a two-tone case. It's like black at the top and then clear. They do have the little pull tabs here. And those tabs are, man. So this will show off the beauty of your phone. Okay, so let's see how it fits. Okay, this might be a great looking case too. So, do you get lip action? Yes, you do. About the camera protection? Yes, you do. And it shows off the beauty of your phone too. At least the main color of it. Does everything line up? Yes, you can see everything lines up at the bottom. The microphone at the top. All right, let's see how the power button looks. There you go, the power buttons look good. It has a ridge power button again. You do have a little branding on this side again from Spigen. If my camera will focus. Let's test out the power button. Power button is easy to press, easy to find because it's ridged. The volume rockers look great too. Easy to press. Overall fit of the case, nice and snug. Man, these cases are fitting good from Spigen. I like this case a lot. Man, that shows off the beauty. And that little black design at the top looks great too. Can you wireless charge? Again, I don't think you will have a problem. Yes, you can wireless charge with the case on it. No problems there. The last thing we want to test out, how does it lay down? Does it rock? Not really. A little bit that way, but not much. So this is a great case. If you want to pick up this case, like normal, I will have the links in the description. That way you can pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 6 Pro. Also, make sure you're following me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.